I asked my kids to clean up the toys 6 times. And by the sixth time, I was yelling so loud that I joked, should I use my powers of invisibility for good or for evil? What I didn't realize in that moment was that I was accidentally training them not to listen to me until I lost it. I'm Sabrina Reagan, child psychologist and mom of 3. Here's the simple truth. Repeating yourself over and over and over trains your child not to listen to you until you get frustrated with them. It actually undermines your parenting authority because you're training them to wait. And the fix actually isn't more work. It's better delivery and then follow through. Today, I'm going to give you 5 powerful strategies to replace the nagging loop with one clear ask that works. Strategy number 1, ask once, add a consequence, and then follow through. This strategy teaches your child that your calm ask is always followed by action. Here's how it works. State your simple, clear request to your child. Pause for 3 seconds. If your child ignores you, restate your request and add a consequence. Wait 3 more seconds. If your child continues to ignore you, then you follow through in the consequence. Here's what you say. Do please put your crayons away in the box? Pause. Sam, I need you to put the crayons away in the box, or I'm going to have to take them away until tomorrow. Pause again. If you're ignored, you want to calmly go to Sam and the crayon. You put them away, and at the same time say, you didn't hear me. I needed you to put the crayons away, so I'm going to have to keep them until tomorrow. Ask once, act once, no nagging. Strategy number 2, collect the eye. Yelling from across the room actually ends up sounding like noise, and you're easy to tune out. This strategy gets their attention. So what do you do for this strategy? Here, you want to walk over to your child, get down to their eye level, quietly say their name, and then wait for their eye contact. One added strategy you can use is to gently take their hand and put it up to your cheek. Their eyes, most of the time, will follow their hand. And so it's an easy way of getting your eye contact. So what do you say? You want to walk over to your child, calmly kneel down, and then gently say, Maya, eyes on me for a sec. Wait for their eye contact, or put their hand up to your cheek and wait for their eye contact. And then say, it's time to leave. We need to get your shoes on now. Do you want to put on your jacket first or your shoes? Get close, get eyes, and get cooperation. So if these strategies are giving you a little bit of hope and you're thinking, I need more scripts like this, you're not alone. I created the Empowered Moms community for moms who are tired of yelling and then feeling guilty, instead want practical tools that work. It's completely free. You get immediate access to scripts that you can use tonight and a 5-video training series that gives you the aha moments without the overwhelm. The link is in the description. So strategy number 3, connect first, redirect second. When your child is upset, naming their feelings actually calms them down and then frees them up so they can listen to you. So here's how you do it. Get really close to them, again, down at eye level, and name what you see. And then give one direction with a controlled choice. Here's what you say. I can see you're frustrated. That level on your game keeps beating you. It's so hard. I get that. I need you to come wash your hands for dinner. Do you want to finish this life or pause it and then wash your hands? If this is shifting how you think about how to get your kids to listen, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you know another mom who's stuck in this repeating herself loop, share this video with her so that she can find some success in parenting as well. Strategy number 4, the playful pivot. Kids often resist when they feel powerless. This is where the power struggles often come. The idea here is turning that task into a game so it shifts that power struggle into playful connection. So here's how you do it. Put your request into a game, a silly challenge, fun role play, but keep it short. So here's an example. It's time to get your shoes on. Who wants to zoom around the couch like a rocket to the door and see who gets there first? Ready, set, go. The key here is to be playful. Turn resistance into play and get instant cooperation. Strategy number 5, repair fast. Kids learn how to handle mistakes by watching you. They actually learn more by watching you than what you say. So apologizing after you've made a mistake or after you've yelled maybe just a little bit too loud, rebuild the connection and shows them that it's safe to mess up every now and again. So here's how you do it. You want a one sentence apology and then immediately try your request again calmly. Here's what to say. I'm sorry I yelled too loud. I was frustrated. Let's try that again. Please put your plate in the sink. Own it fast. Reset immediately. You now have 5 powerful tools that will help you immediately see results and stop being ignored. Pick one of these strategies to try every single day this week. Which one of these feels the most doable for you? Tell me in the comments below. Now go try it. Pick one strategy and let me know how day one went. You've got this.